Are you ready to nail party? Hello, I'm Tammy Taylor, president of Tammy Taylor Nails, and today I'm so excited to demonstrate for you the new mom nail. This is the nail that I've been doing on my daughter-in-law Ashling, who just became a new mommy. It is a medium length square nail with rounded edges, stylish and easy to change diapers. Now let's get started.
Sanitize your hands and your client's hands with sanitize, sanitize, sanitize in peach or gardenia. Remove the polish with fast-acting polish remover available in peach or gardenia. Etch the nails with the 100 grit purple Terminator etcher. Go with the way the nail grows. Push back the cuticle and put little scratches in the nail. 75% of your lifting is eliminated by proper etching. If there's any shiny spots on the nail, then the product is going to have a problem adhering, and this could cause lifting. Push back the cuticle. Etch the entire nail. I'm not using a lot of pressure. I'm just putting little scratches in the nail. Now I'm going to push back the cuticle with the tritium stone. Make sure there's no skin that's grown up on the nail. If there's any cuticle or skin that's grown up on the nail, this could cause lifting. Dust off the nail with a plastic manicure brush and make sure you get all the dust off the nail because this can cause lifting. I like to use a plastic manicure brush because this can be disinfected. Prime the nails with non-lifting nail primer. I dab my brush so I don't get too much primer on the nail. And then I wipe off my brush before I put it back into the bottle so I don't have contamination. This dries out the oils in the nail and kills all the germs on the nail. I will be using the double thick competitive edge nail forms. I will be using the white custom oval for the more oval nail bed and the gold custom original for a more round nail bed. Okay, I'm going to split it. Hold the form between your thumbs and your index fingers and roll the form. This puts the curve in the nail, and the double thick nail form holds the C curve. Place this form underneath the free edge, stick down the sides, and then stick down your wings. The gold form for the more round nail bed. Again, put the curve in the form. Place the curve underneath the free edge. Stick down the sides. Stick down the wings. Secure the form. I will be using covered up fresh pink acrylic for my first nail. I will be doing what I call the new mom nail, a medium length, slightly tapered square with rounded edges. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of primer. So the primer is wet when I apply my acrylic. This promotes adhesion. Now this is going to be a smaller ball, so I dip my brush all the way into my liquid. Then I wipe it away a little bit more to get less liquid. And this is going to be a small to medium ball. Place onto the free edge area. Let it flow, then pat it out from side to side. Get it just how you like it. Create the free edge, the tip of the free edge. I'm going to taper in this form a little bit to taper in the nail. Dip your brush in, wipe it away. Small ball. Place this ball halfway down the nail bed. Let it flow. Then stroke it out, side, side, center. Wipe off your brush. Dip your brush in, wipe it away, drag towards you. Place this ball about a 32nd of an inch away from the cuticle. Let it flow, stroke it out, side, side, center. Wipe off your brush, dip your brush in, wipe it away. Small ball, that's a little bit too big. Dip your brush in, wipe it away. Small ball. Place this ball in the stress area, almost at the cuticle. Let it flow, then stroke it out, side, side, center. The secret to making this nail really strong and tapered is to squeeze the C curve. You're going to create this tapered at the free edge with the C curve. So you're applying a little bit more pressure out here towards the tip, but you take the curve all the way from the nail bed out to the tip of the free edge. My next nail I will be using Sculpt in soft pink. I'm first going to apply Stuck On You Bonder Gel Base. This makes your sculpt adhere. Cover the entire nail. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Pour a small amount of Shape It Up nail liquid into your dapping dish. This is to moisten your brush. I will be using the Sculpt number 6 wide Kolinsky Red Sable brush. Now to determine how large of a bead I need, it's the size of the free edge. So I'm going to squeeze out the bead. About as long as this area right here, I'm going to go to a 2. Then scoop it out. Place the rounded edge towards the cuticle. Moisten your brush. Then you're going to pat it out. Then angle your brush like a pencil. And do your cuticle area. Make sure you get the cuticle area perfect, just how you like it before you continue on with the nail. Then you go from side to side. Make sure you have your nail grooves. Then you start pulling it out towards the free edge, slightly stroking, and pat it. Go from side to side. Add a little bit more moisture to my brush. Stroke it out. Get the shape just how you like it. Good thing about Sculpt, it doesn't dry until you cure it. So you have time to make the nail just how you want it. I'm going to taper it in just a little bit. Now I'm going to do a quick cure. Do a 10 to 15 second quick cure with an LED or 20 seconds with a UV. So I can put a little curve in the nail. After I do my quick cure, I squeeze the C curve. Just like I did with the acrylic. I start down at the nail bed, work my way out, taper it in, get just how I like it. Then I go in for a full cure for 60 seconds. Remove the form. and cure one more time for 60 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nail with Clean It. I will be filing in 5 steps using the long-lasting 180 zebra, and I'm going to score the edges. Just kind of takes the sharpness off the edges of the file, so when you file, you don't cut the cuticle. Step number 1, I'm going to file straight out from the nail groove on the left. Step number 2, file straight out from the nail groove on the right. Step number 3, I'm going to shape the tip of the free edge, and this will be a square. So I hold my file straight up and down, go straight across till I get the square. Step number 4, file the top of the nail, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. And go around the cuticle area. There's a little road around the cuticle area. It's product, natural nail, cuticle. I'm going to put my edge of my file right in that little road. Get it nice and smooth. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Get that nice little cuticle area. Now step number 4. Step number 5, turn the nails around from the client's angle. This is the angle they will be looking at for the next 2 weeks. Bevel down towards the tip. Now I'm going to buff the nails with my clean finish buffing file. When I buff kind of like I'm filing. I go around the cuticle area, get it nice and smooth. Go over the top, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, out towards the tip. Whoop. Got to hold that finger. If you don't, it'll get away from you. Okay, now I'm going to round the edges. I don't round my edges with the file because that'll take off my square. I'm going to round out the edges with my buffer. That way there's no sharp edges. Have the client go wash their hands with antibacterial soft soak and a plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply Top Gel Plus, a super high gloss non-yellowing top gel. Nice long strokes. Whoop, cap the free edge. Cap the free edge. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nails with Clean It. Apply conditioning cuticle oil available in peach or gardenia. Now we have the new mom nails. Super easy maintenance and they look beautiful.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.